feel really strongly on this. Today is Internet Safety Day, and our children are not safe on the internet. Simple as. Online social media companies are utilising algorithms. There's real significant evidence emerging around addiction. Doom scrolling, all of these phrases that have become commonplace, and on a very basic level, children looking down at the phone rather than actually looking up at each other and engaging in the childhood way that I think we all want our children to develop. There needs to be a minimum age in relation to social media. This isn't a radical concept. We have a minimum age in relation to when you can smoke, when you can drink, when you can vote, when you can have sex, when you can watch certain movies. Countless examples, and therefore social media shouldn't be treated any differently. I'm absolutely not in favour of sitting by idly and waiting for Europe to act. What I am saying, though, is it's preferable if Europe moves together, because that provides greater consistency and greater protection for children. It's probably easier to implement and operate, and it just provides greater certainty. What the Minister for Communications is doing is correct, because you can't have a minimum age if you can't verify age, and I don't think we can leave it to the social media companies or outsource to private tech companies the protection of our children. So bringing in a state age verification system is an important first step, and then we'll at that stage have to make a call as to whether we can all move together at a European level or whether we should plough on at a domestic level, but I don't rule that out.